Guys, I'm Coach T here, talking you through some of the flags that happen during sexual intercourse, okay? So today's flag on the play: painful vaginal penetration. So here's the deal. A few different things can cause painful intercourse for a lady. There are some that will need the assistance of a doctor, but for starters, these are 3 tips that you can always use to at least try to improve things when it comes to sexual intercourse or vaginal penetration before pursuing other major medical conditions. Okay? So, step number 1. Look. Don't be afraid to look down there, okay? Take a mirror, take a look, see what the hymen looks like, okay? That's going to be the extra tissue that surrounds the vaginal opening. There are a few different variants. There are septate hymens. That means there's a piece of tissue that goes over the vaginal opening. That could be causing some painful penetration when stretched or irritated. Sometimes there's a lot of extra hymen tissue, also causes some painful penetration. So take a look, see if things look funny down there, and you can always see a doctor if you have something concerning that you want to talk about. Okay? Step number 2, lube up. It's natural to think that we can all produce the right amount of natural lubricant that's needed for vaginal penetration. It's not the case, okay? There are many factors that go into whether we can moisten things up down there appropriately, or if we need extra help. There is no shame in grabbing the lube. There are lots of great lubes out there. Keep it in the bedstand. Always have it ready. Don't be ashamed, okay? Lube is your friend. And the reason also is that friction, dryness, can cause painful vaginal penetration. So if this is your issue, check into lube, okay? And then Coach T's tip number 3, foreplay. Obviously, this is going to be pertaining to sexual endeavors, but anytime you are anticipating putting something into the vagina, it's going to be good if those vaginal muscles are relaxed. And so, how do we do that? 1, reducing the anticipation of pain, and 2, bringing pleasure, extra blood flow, and relaxation to the area down there. This is going to be foreplay that involves kissing, touching, rubbing, clitoris. All these things will be helpful in relaxing the vaginal walls. So do not neglect the foreplay, okay? 3 tips for improving the pain when it comes to vaginal penetration, okay? Number 1, look for any variants. Number 2, lube up. Number 3, foreplay. Coach T's tips on improving painful vaginal penetration.